We are at the rail yard section of town in Santa Fe. And this is the one with the staircase, right? Yeah. Freaky statues.
You guys are about to enter a 22,000 square foot, more than 70-room art installation built by over 200 different artists and assistants. Took over a year to complete. And there's a narrative you can follow inside, if you so desire, about a family who went missing under mysterious circumstances and what happened to them. It's in the wrong, good, evil. The answer changes in form. So have fun.
We are entering MEOW WOLF. It's getting funky. This is just the hallway. Here we go.
Oh, that's the end.
That's it? It's over? Oh, this way? Oh my god.
It's on a rocking chair.
We're going in this nice little New England home. This does have a little haunted house feel in it. Who are these people? That's
part of the whole thing you have to figure out.
Ah, this is the kinetic art my students do. That's the best, man. We're gonna go in the refrigerator. We are in the refrigerator.
You are. Okay. Please proceed. Matsuda. You are. Okay. You are. Okay.
This is so sick.
You are. Okay. Please proceed.
This looks like somebody's closet. Oh! That is so cool. That is the best.
I don't think that's
Went through the fireplace into here. Oh, I like this place. That is the best.
Doing.
Yes, look at that. Oh, this is psychedelic land in here now, huh? Wow, black and white cartoon room. I think this might be my favorite room. I don't know why. It's just a closet. Or maybe not.
What the hell?
Oh, dude.
This is weird.
So freaky. Whoa. Oh, it's tight. Oh my god, what's happening?
Fireplace?
Yeah, that's pretty loud.
What are you willing to risk?
VHS tapes.
Oh yes, that is wild.
And a lot of toothbrushes.
Paradise.
Time to go into the proton accelerator. Whoa, yeah. We must even the balance around the circle. I'm going over here. I like the plastic coating on the couches.
I need help. Oh yeah.
All right.
Get the hamster.
We are now returning from Fantasyland back through the chimney. Psychedelic trash.
Whoa, what the?
There's a lot going on right there. Those lasers in the trash can.
You want some cake?
You got cake in there? Oh. Infinite cake. You got any ham and cheese in there? Gonna do some laundry. He's diving in! Nice and clean in here. I'm okay. A little dirty laundry. I can't get out. I can't get out of here. Oh my god. Which one is it? Which one is it?
I got you.
Call help. Call help. We need to get out of here. Hold on. Let me see if the telephones are going through the wires. There they are. There's the message.
Welcome to the harp.
You think you're controlling things, don't you? Makes your blood circulation. I need water. Like in a city alleyway.
So tight. Yeah, monkey.